Hello, this is a new YouTube channel, and basically what we do is we make cool PCs. But at the time being, since we're new, we're gonna be selling different parts for PCs, like our newest one that we're gonna have, which join the Discord to keep up with everything. Our new one is going to be an Intel i7 7700, and I think it's going to be like a lower price than normal. So make sure you guys do try to get that. It is going to be, I think, bidding. So yeah. Anyway, that's basically our business. Make sure to join the Discord for new updates. And yeah, bye.